to run all of their software engineering, and then he came back, and we're thrilled to have him back.
I'm thrilled to be back as well. So here we have a little bit of what you were talking about. We're trying to merge sort of the support experience and the management experience, and what you have in front of you is, hopefully a lot of you are familiar with, is the Enterprise Manager homepage. And if you look on the top right, what you see is a new tab called My Oracle Support. And if you go in there, what we've done is taken some of the stuff that Larry just talked about, and we've actually embedded some of the support capabilities directly in Enterprise Manager. So from here you can do some common tasks like file and track SRs, look at the knowledge search engines, but you can also look at the patch recommendations that we were just talking about. And again, as Larry explained, these patches these recommendations are based on what you run. They're the product, version, and platform. And actually just one extra step even on from there. We know you may be running a database on a Linux platform, but we even know that you're running particular features. And in this case, we know you're running DataGuard on the system. And DataGuard is a feature we use to do disaster recovery with. And so this is probably something pretty important that I'd like to take a look at and look at this patch. If I now take a look at this patch, I'm presented with some very interesting information. I can see the platform, I can see the list of problems that this patch actually fixes. On the right hand side, I see a trend that shows me how many people have downloaded the patch, and more importantly, some of the feedback that our own community has given us. And really this is a collaboration between the community and us, but also Enterprise Manager is getting this information from the support systems where your configuration lives. So at this point, I'd like to, add this patch to a plan. And really a plan is really a way of collecting together a set of patches so that when you have a regular downtime, you can go and take this plan and apply it. So if we look at this plan now, the first thing we're going to actually do, as Larry pointed out, and this is really something we couldn't do till today. Today, if you wanted to apply a patch, you download a patch, you try and apply it in your system, and it'll tell you you've got a conflict with what you have. Here, right up front, you get to validate if that patch is going to conflict with something you have, and is there a merge of a patch available today. In this case, it actually found one, so I'm going to replace the conflict. But if it didn't find one, it would automatically file a trouble ticket back with Oracle. We would create the merge patch and notify you as soon as that was available. So now that we've got the patch ready to deploy, here we are transitioning back from the My Oracle Support piece of software back into Enterprise Manager. And for those of you who use Enterprise Manager, you know you can do the full patch lifecycle from there. So we'll pick up a deployment procedure to patch an Oracle database, and now we can start deploying the patch. And this is taking us right into the patching flow, which allows you to schedule it and deploy it on multiple systems. So I think we've shown you how we can take the information we get from your configurations, from our community, and from Enterprise Manager and unify them all in a single experience.
Thank you, Richard. Stay